Need to file a business insurance claim? Let's walk through it step by step so you can handle it like a pro. First things first, make sure everyone is safe. If there are injuries or urgent hazards, call first responders immediately. Safety always comes before paperwork. Next, take a moment to look around and prevent any more damage from happening. That might mean turning off equipment, shutting down power to a machine, or even blocking off an area. But here's the key. Don't start cleaning or moving things until your insurance provider says it's okay. The scene tells a story and you want that story intact for your claim. Now it's time to document. Write down exactly what happened, including the date, time, and any details you can remember. If there were witnesses, ask them for a quick statement. Photos are gold here. Take clear shots of the damage, the surroundings, and anything else that might be relevant. Once you've got your info ready, file your claim as soon as possible. The sooner it's in, the sooner next insurance can start the process for you. After that, stay in touch with your claims adjuster. Answer calls, reply to emails, and send over any documents they need. This keeps everything moving smoothly toward a resolution. Save this video so you can pull it up if ever you need it. And for coverage you can count on, use the link in my description to get started with Next Insurance today.